Let's dive into active negative harvest batches, and we are going to identify these negative harvest batches, and we are also going to talk through why these negative harvest batches happened. Before we get started, I do want to communicate that no third-party solution will save you from these compliance risks. Bad data in is bad data out. So just know that there are multiple different reasons why a negative harvest batch can happen. And if you are putting bad data into Metrc or into a third party that's integrated into Metrc, this will still happen. High level, there are three flows that can create negative harvest batches. These flows happen at the time of harvest and the workflows post harvest while you're reporting your data. This lecture, we are going to unpack a little further from the previous lecture of active harvest batch reconciliations. So I'm not going to dive into how to create this template. We are using the exact same template that we used in that previous lecture. And of course, there's the download for you as well for within this lecture for a refresher. The good news about negative harvest batches is that they're very easy to spot. And when you're in Metrc, all you need to do is sort the weight column from lowest to highest. And when you sort the weight column for active harvest batches, the negative harvest batches will arise straight at the top for you. All right, let's dive into the harvest batch red flags.